What's up you guys, hope you all are doing well. Just want to make another video. This one's a sales video and I'm going to say to you some words that you should never ever use, and I'm going to reveal to you why you shouldn't use this and the science around them. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, but probably using offensive words isn't good, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the subtle little words that you would think would not make any difference will actually swing massive doors when it comes to sales. So here's the first one. To be honest with you, what's wrong with that? I know these are words that you'd probably think are fine, but actually they're really not. To be honest with you is kind of when someone's not very honest. So like, we've had a conversation and at the very end you say, well, to be honest with you, wait, hold on, you're telling me this whole time you haven't been honest, then what's the point of this whole conversation? So you're probably thinking, what should you use instead? Well, what you should use instead is be honest with yourself. Now, it's you could say putting the pressure or giving the mic back to the person instead of you saying, hey, listen, I was the one lying here. You're saying, why don't you be honest with yourself? What do you want? So that sounds a bit better. Next one. Trust me, believe me. You've probably seen this in movies.
Trust me.
When someone says that, you're more skeptical than you were before. So what do you say instead? Well, you say, believe in yourself or trust in yourself. A lot of times people don't buy things because they don't believe in themselves, not because the product isn't good. So instead of you saying, yeah, trust me, where that just makes someone feel more skeptical than before, say believe in yourself. Sorry to bother you. Now, at first it sounds rather polite. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your time, or sorry to bother you, sorry to interrupt. But subconsciously, what you're saying is that what you have isn't of much worth. It's kind of like, you're really busy and all of a sudden your friend calls and says, oh, sorry to bother you, man. I've just been watching this really cool show. You're like, not really the time. So what you should say instead is, I'm here to help. What it comes at is, I'm here to serve, I'm here to support. I've actually got something of worth to give you for me to butt into your time. It just sounds more authoritative. Obviously, you may not be authoritative. If you're talking to your boss, you're not really going to be on top of him. But again, it gives you that sense of being authoritative. You don't really want to belittle what you're about to say and you haven't even opened your mouth yet. So, contract. I know some of you kind of twitch when you hear that. Oh, just sign the contract. You're like, what am I signing? Am I signing my life away?
About freedom, okay? That's what we're trying to sell here is freedom. Which part of that do you not understand, for goodness sake?
Mr. Case, John from Legal, just need your signature for release. Thank you so much.
Normally, it would sound normal to say, yeah, here's the contract. But subconsciously, it sounds a bit weird. People don't like to sign things. People don't like to commit too heavy into things. So what you say instead is, get started. Or, why don't we just get rid of the paperwork first, get that out the way. It sounds more nicer than saying, would you like to sign the contract? It just sounds a bit, ooh. Would you like to get started with your package? Yeah, sure. Just sounds nicer. Next one. Submit. Now, no one likes to submit. Well, depends what kind of person you are, but when it comes to sales, I don't want to submit to anything. Submit your information here. Not really. So what you use instead? You should use give an incentive. So what does this mean? So let's say you got an ebook. Instead of saying submit your information to get the ebook, say get your ebook here, or get your free course here, or access today. It sounds a bit better. So use what you're going to give them as the call to action instead of saying submit. Unique. This unique product never heard of before. Now, let's be honest, it's like everything in the world is unique. People will start saying this unique pencil or this unique rubber. Really? So what you say instead, you say limited or not a lot of. You see this a lot on Amazon, for example, limited quantity or not a lot of this. It sounds a lot better than just saying the word unique, because it's like everyone just rolls their eyes when they hear, oh great, it's another unique product. So, hope those kind of words helped you out a bit. Just wanted to share some info. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, stay awesome. And by the way, I want to give a huge shout out to Paul, He's been helping me a lot, great mentor. You can check out his channel. The link will be in the description. Show him some love. He's a great salesman and he's also a great Bitcoin investor.